It's a sunny day. You walk outside and look up at the canvas awning that's been shading your patio for years. But something's wrong. It's faded. There are black patches, a strange musty smell in the air. And for the first time, you wonder, how long has it been since I cleaned this? What if I told you that dirty canvas above your head isn't just an eyesore, it could be damaging your health, your home, and even your wallet? Before we dive in, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel, because you won't believe what's been quietly building up over your head and how simple it is to fix. Click the link below to gain access to our free community. As an added bonus, you will get a free Top 10 Cleaning Products Guide and a free emergency cleaning checklist. We install awnings to protect us from the harsh sun, from the rain, from falling leaves. They're beautiful, practical, and make our outdoor spaces feel like an extension of our homes. But here's the thing no one tells you. Canvas awnings are one of the most neglected parts of a house. Over time, they become the perfect trap for dust, bird droppings, mildew, dead insects, pollen, and air pollution. Because they sit there, day after day, collecting everything the sky throws at them. And slowly, silently, they decay. And when we finally notice, it's often too late. The stains are set, the fabric is weak, and mold has already begun to grow. But what if we could stop it now, before it becomes a disaster? Let me paint a picture. That soft green patch you see, it might not be dirt. It could be algae. That black streak across the top? Likely mold spores. And here's the kicker. Every time the wind blows or the rain hits, those spores are released into the air, right where your family is sitting. So while you're enjoying your evening tea under the awning, you could be breathing in allergens, bacteria, and fungi without even realizing it. Sounds dramatic? It's not. It's just something no one talks about. But today, we're going to change that. Step 1. The gentle cleaning mix that saves your awning. The first step is creating a cleaning solution that's both effective and safe for canvas, because harsh chemicals can destroy the fabric. In a bucket, mix 1 gallon of lukewarm water, 1/4 cup of mild liquid soap, like dishwashing liquid. Optional, 1 tablespoon white vinegar to break down mildew. Stir gently. Now, using a soft bristled brush or a sponge mop, apply this mixture to the awning in sections. Work from the bottom up. Yes, bottom up. Why? Because working top down causes streaking that's hard to clean later. Scrub in gentle circles, paying special attention to seams and edges. These are hot spots for grime buildup. Step 2. Rinse away the years. Once the scrubbing is done, it's time for a rinse, but not with high pressure. Most people make the mistake of using a power washer. That's a big no-no. Canvas isn't meant to handle such force. Instead, use a garden hose with a spray nozzle and rinse thoroughly from top to bottom. Watch the suds, and the dirt wash away. You'll see it. Years of built-up pollution and filth running down in dark streams. It's oddly satisfying, and just a little gross. What happens if you don't clean it? Let's talk consequences. Ignoring your canvas awning might seem harmless, but with time, that trapped moisture starts eating away at the stitching. Mold spreads, fabric thins, the frame rusts, and suddenly, a $10,000 investment is falling apart, just when you need it most. Even worse, if mold drips onto the patio or deck below, it can stain concrete, attract insects, or even damage the paint on your walls. All of this from one piece of fabric you didn't clean in time. So here's the truth. Cleaning your awning isn't just maintenance, it's respect. For your home, your health, and your investment. It takes just 1 hour, once every few months, but the peace of mind you get? Worth every second. A clean awning makes your home look sharper, your space feels fresher, and your family? They're protected from the silent invaders that float just above their heads. If this helped you see your awning in a new light, do me a small favor. Like this video and subscribe to the channel. Because there are dozens of things around your home quietly wearing down, and we'll uncover every one of them together. Click the link below to gain access to our free community. As an added bonus, you will get a free Top 10 Cleaning Products Guide and a free emergency cleaning checklist. Until next time, look up, clean up, and breathe easy.